a few minutes, a few times, a few years, a good idea, good idea. It's a good idea, too. That's a good idea. Agree with somebody. A little help. A little money. A little sugar. A lot to do. A lot of something. All day. All night. All over the world. Anything else. Anyone else. A period of time. Around the world. Arrive at. Arrive in. Ask for something. At home. At school. At the beginning of something. At the end. At the end of something. At the moment. At the same time. At the weekend. At university. At work. Away from somebody, something. Bad for somebody, something. Bad news. Bad thing. The bad things about something. Because of. Begin with something. Be going to do something. Best friend. Black and white. Car park. Cell phone. City center. In the city center. Come from. Come into something. He came into the room. Differences between A and B. Difficult for somebody. It is difficult for somebody to do something. Each other. And in something. Every day. Every week. Every year. Excuse me. Family member. Find out. Find out about something. Find out more. For a long time. A long time. For a moment. For example. For lunch. For many years. For the first time. Get home. Get married. Get off. Get off the bus. I'm getting off here. Get on. Get on the bus. Are you getting on? Get ready. Get ready for something. Get ready to do something. Get there. Get to. Get up. Go back. Go back to. Go home. Go into something. She went into her room. Good at something. Good for somebody, something. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good news. Good thing. The good things about something. Go out. Go to bed. Go to school. Go to work. Grow up. Guess what? Half an hour. Hard work. Have fun. Have got. Have time. Have time for something. Have time to do something. He or she. High school. His or her. How about? How are you? How long? How many? How much? How often? Important for somebody, something. It is important for somebody, something to do something. I'm sorry. In April. In July, etc. In bed. In class. In fact. In front of. In my opinion. In school. In space. In summer. In winter. In the center. In the center of something. In the country. I live in the country. The best in the country. In the future. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. In the north. In the south. In the east. In the west. In the past. in the street, in the summer, in the winter, in town. It is important to do something. It takes an hour to get there. Kind of somebody, something. What kind of music do you like? Know how. Know how to do something. Last time. The last time. Last year. Last month. Last summer. Last week. Last weekend. Learn how to do something. Listen to somebody, something. Live with somebody. Living room. Look at somebody, something. Look for somebody, something. Look like somebody, something. Lots of. Millions of. Mobile phone. More than. Next time. Next year. Next month. Next week. No problem. Of course. Oh no. Oh yes. Old friend. Once a month. Once a week. Once a year. One day. On holiday. On Monday. On Tuesday, etc. On television. On the television. On the beach. On the floor. On the internet. On the left. On the right. On the phone. Be on the phone. Talk on the phone. On TV. Out of something. Over there. Pay for something. Phone call. Phone number. Plan for something. Make plans for something. What are your plans for? Next year? Play with somebody, something. Post office. Pretty good. Really enjoy. I really enjoyed it. Really good. Really like. I'd really like to. right now. See you. See you around. See you later. See you soon. Sit down.